What is going on, Ape Nation? It's time for your daily AMC stock update, and today I've got a little bit of positive news to report to you. So we're going to start with that. We're going to take a look at technicals, and I'll tell you why today was so important. And then we're going to get into a few other interesting things about AMC, and we're going to get into this right away. But before we do, I'm going to ask you to please go ahead and smash that like button so that the YouTube algorithm shares this video with as many apes as possible. And of course, if you're new here, if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, tap that notification bell, because I drop content just like this every single day. So let's kick this off by talking about the technicals, and let me issue just a fair warning. If you're relying on just technicals for placing a trade, it's probably not the best idea. I want to be as transparent as possible with you guys. Technicals are usually used by day traders or somebody that's in very quickly in and out. Now, a lot of longer term traders or swing traders will use technicals, but they're not the best tool to use just to rely on for your trade. You've got to also understand what's going on in the broader market and kind of align the technicals with the fundamentals of the company and what's going on overall in the broader markets. But now that we've got that out of the way, let me tell you why today was an important day for the technicals in AMC stock. So all week long, AMC stock has been trading around 45% above its 200 SMA moving average, which is its simple moving average. And that is significant because it means that overall there is still a bullish sentiment. However, we have dropped off on volume a little bit. We're going to be looking for volume to pick up, or we need volume to pick up in order to see a breakout. But what's important here is that there were two resistance levels that we were watching. The first resistance level being $39.07 that we needed AMC to break above. And then the second level is $43.33, I believe. Now, we've broken that first level today because the stock closed at $40.07, which is around a 5.07% move to the upside. But unfortunately, we did drop about 0.16% in the after hours, which isn't really that bad if you ask me. We are currently sitting at the time of this recording at $40.02, which is still above that first resistance level, which means we are on the right track and could potentially be heading for that $43.33 level that we need to break above in order for us to see a breakout in that stock. So that's what I'm going to be watching for. That's what you guys need to be watching for. And we'll find out very quickly or very soon whether or not we're going to hold that level and break above it. But one thing we can take comfort in is the fact that we are back on the right path. And hopefully we'll continue going on that path so that we can all experience that MOAS together. Now that we've got the technicals out of the way, what I do want to talk to you about is a little bit about AMC as a company and what I like about it. AMC as a company is constantly doing things to make itself more attractive to potential investors. Now, Adam Aron, I have to admit, I didn't like him in the beginning, but I'm starting to like him more and gain more and more respect for him by the day. I really like the fact that he hates short sellers just as much as any ape does. And he's going after these short sellers and fighting hard. It looks as though he wants their heads on a platter, and hey, so do I. And I know so does every other ape. So because of this, I'm pretty excited because all of these things that he's doing, these tweaks that the company is making, it's making the company more valuable. So we all know, this is no secret, AMC hadn't been trading within its fundamentals for the longest time. And AMC has always had all of these haters, such as Jim Cramer from CNBC. But now we see that Jim Cramer is actually eating all of his old words and now coming back and saying, oh my gosh, don't you mess with Adam Aron. Oh, he's daring you. He's daring you to come after him. Little punk. Anyhow, we got Jim Cramer coming back now, eating his old words and saying that, hey, man, maybe these fundamentals do make sense for AMC stock. Well, why in the hell would he be saying that? I mean, he is a puppet for others like Ken Griffin, and he is a little bitch. But why? I mean, what's in it for him? Maybe he finally realized that he's a dumbass? I don't know. I can't figure it out. But he is on here, nonetheless, talking about AMC stock, and how now the fundamentals actually do make sense, the current fundamentals. So when you have that, and when you have a company that's growing more and more innovative every single day with the things that they are doing, well, that's a recipe for disaster. Disaster for the shorts, not for us. And that's all I wanted to leave you with today, ladies and gentlemen. Be sure you smash that like button for me like I asked you to at the beginning of the video. And if you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tap that bell so you're notified every time I drop a video, because I drop content just like this every single day.